Carving the perfect pumpkin lantern is a cherished tradition for many, but have you ever considered elevating your jack-o'-lantern by adding a custom, sturdy handle? This is where our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits come into play. These high-quality tool bits aren't just for industrial applications. They're the secret weapon for creative, durable pumpkin lantern handles that offer both function and style. Let's break down exactly how you can use a cylindrical carbide burr to shape and decorate handles for your pumpkin lanterns. First, you'll want to select a suitable material for your handle. Hardwood dowels or thick branches work well, as they can withstand the weight of a filled pumpkin and offer a rustic autumnal charm. Once you have your material, secure it firmly, either in a vise or with clamps, ensuring safety and stability while you work. Next, attach the cylindrical carbide burr to your die grinder. The superior hardness and precision engineering of USA-made carbide burrs mean they effortlessly cut through wood, plastic, and even certain metals, allowing for intricate design work without dulling or chipping. Begin by outlining the basic shape of your handle. If you prefer a straight, classic grip, simply round the edges for smoothness. For a more decorative approach, use the cylindrical burr to carve grooves along the length of the handle. These grooves not only enhance grip, but also add a unique, handcrafted appearance. With gentle, even pressure, guide the burr along your marked lines. The fluted design of the carbide burr efficiently removes material, letting you refine the depth and width of each groove to your liking. If you're feeling particularly creative, try adding spirals, chevrons, or even repeating patterns. The carbide burr's precision allows for clean, crisp lines that will stand out beautifully once your lantern is assembled. After shaping and patterning your handle, use finer carbide burrs to smooth any rough edges or to add additional details. You might want to taper the ends of the handle or carve in small notches for attaching decorative elements like twine, beads, or even tiny faux leaves for that extra touch of Halloween magic. Once your handle is finished, it's time to attach it to your pumpkin lantern. Carefully carve 2 notches or holes near the top of your pumpkin, just wide enough to insert the ends of your handle. The carbide burr can help here too, by precisely widening or smoothing the holes for a snug, secure fit. Insert your handle, and if needed, secure it with a dab of hot glue or a small wooden peg on each end. The result is a pumpkin lantern that not only glows with spooky delight, but also features a sturdy, one-of-a-kind handle, perfect for carrying it to the front porch or for showing off at a Halloween gathering. Your guests will be amazed at the craftsmanship, and you'll have a decoration that's both practical and memorable. If you enjoyed learning about this innovative use for carbide burr die grinder tool bits, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're always sharing new tips, tricks, and project ideas to inspire your creativity. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave your best Halloween handle ideas or pumpkin carving stories in the comments below. Let's make this spooky season the most creative one yet.